and this is from Chef Tanya.
Make a left turn.
And the offer when I took it was $1.5 or close to $12. So very good. We got the first pickup of the day. So now let's get on the way. So we're working on the next or the first drop-off of the day, and this is from Chef Tanya, and it is a business right here. So,
Hello.
hi, for Michelle.
Yes.
How are you today?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. How is business?
Good.
Good, that's good. Okay, have a good day, man.
You too.
So we're working on the next pickups of the day. I got a triple stack for $30. It's 3 pickups from 3 different restaurants. That's the only problem. But the total mile when I took the offer was less than 5 miles. So it's a good mile, dollar to mile ratio. So the first one is from this Japanese sushi place. Hi, how are you? I got a pickup for Cynthia T. Thank you very much. Okay guys, so I get the first one. Now I have 2 more. Another one is from California Pizza Kitchen and California Fish Grill. So let me see, I got an offer from Grubhub, another good one. So let's get on the way. On the next pickup from California Pizza Kitchen from the for the triple stack. So after that I need to pick that one, and then I need to go to California. The other 2 blocks head in that direction right there. So check for items for Barbara. So let's get this done. Okay guys, so this is done. We're able to get it. So we're working on now the last pickup of the triple stack order from Uber Eats, and it is from California Fish Grill. So hopefully they have this in ready. It's 5 items for Erica. So let's get this done guys. So let's grab the food. Okay guys, so I got it, which is great. Now, careful, be wrong over by family. Okay, so let's bag it and get on the way. Working on the first drop off of the double stack order, and it is for Cynthia, and this is from Sakura. And I believe it's this should be the 73922. Well, I mean, we don't have a fucking address. Oh yeah, hidden over there. Okay, so let me get this done. It's apartment 10 12. Okay, should be 11. 7. Check. They don't have a number. Okay guys, so let me keep looking. Hopefully it's this one right here. No. Dang. Okay guys, so this is done now. I have to drop off tomorrow. Let's do it, guys. So guys, Uber Eats is giving me a drop off, but no address. It just gave me the street name, Alexander Drive. So no street, no house number. So I wanna try to contact the customer, and hopefully she's going to answer, because otherwise, well, I'm gonna just leave it on the street. So keep you updated. So we're doing this. Hi, how are you?
Hi, good, how are you?
Good. Yeah, so this is what the ad was showing me. It's just the address, just the name of the street.
Oh, that's weird.
Yeah, I know. Okay. Let me go ahead and okay, man. Have a good day.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Hi, how are you? Good. Sorry for the delay, but I have issues with another address. Right here.
Thank you.
You're welcome, ladies. Have a good day.
Thank you too.
Guys, I had a terrible fucking experience with Uber Eats. One customer upset. Hopefully they don't give me a bad review, because the other customer didn't put the house number or the bill or business name, which is terrible, you know. Anyway, so I got a pickup from California Pizza Kitchen, so that's the next one. So I'm gonna do that right now. So we're here at California Pizza Kitchen for the next pickup. So now hopefully they have this one ready and I don't have any issues.
Pick up on the left.
Okay guys, so I was able to get the food. Now let's bag it and get on the way. Okay guys, so we're working on this. Hi, how are you?
And that's every meal, you're saying? Oh yeah, you could leave it there. Please.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome, man.
We're gonna do that today. Okay.
Okay, have a good day. So we're doing the next pickup. It is from Tasman. Hey, how you doing? I get a pickup for A, B, something like that.
What's the name?
A, B, something. Uber Eats. Okay, thank you very much.
No drinks, right? Let me just
let me
double check. No drinks.
It's okay. You gonna
Yep.
see the order or no?
Yeah, that's
Okay,
it.
thanks.
Thanks, sir.
Okay guys, so that's done. Now let's get on the way. Okay guys, so we working on the drop-off, and I believe it's that one right there. I am not sure. I don't see the number. You guys don't hate, but there are people, the number is not just easy to find. joking. Look at that, guys. It's just right there. Give me a break. How people are going to find this house? You're welcome, man. Have a good day. Okay, guys, so that's done. Okay, guys, we're working on the first pickup of dinner shift, and it is from the Daily Grill. Thank you. Okay, this is just a small pickup, so I don't think it's gonna have any hidden tips. But first offer to start the night. So we're looking for this house, and for some reason the GPS is taking me.
Head to your drop-off at 74130 Old Prospector TRL.
Okay, this is somewhere around here. I'm not sure where. Old Prospector. I think it's this one right here. Okay, so that's done. Picker of the dinner chip is this one from Rubio's. So let me check. Rubio Costa Grill and 7 items. Decent. It was $12 for $2, but it's not ready. Okay, so let's wait. Okay, guys, we got the order. We had to wait maybe like 5 minutes, and I was able to pick up another order from Red Lobster, but it's going all the way to Castillo City. And right now with the traffic, it's probably gonna take me like an hour. And it was $10, $16 for like almost 10 miles. So it might have some hidden tips, but it might not. So I better just let it go and stick here for now. Let me back this up and get on the way. Guys, so we're here at Starlight Dance Studio. I think it's that one. Need the doors. Oh, sorry. Hi, how are you? Here's the drink. And then I get the second one. And have a great night.
You as well.